From August 15, 2025, highway travel in India changes forever. The government has launched the FASTag Annual Pass, a game changer for frequent travelers that can save you up to 80% on toll costs. Here's everything you need to know: benefits, eligibility, how to apply, and how much you can save. We all know the pain: stopping at tolls, paying again and again, watching our FASTag balance vanish, and topping it up every few days. Now imagine paying once a year and driving stress-free across national highways without worrying about toll deductions. At 70 rupees per trip, 200 trips normally cost 14,000 rupees. With the annual pass, you pay only 3,000 rupees. That's a saving of 11,000 rupees a year, or roughly 55 rupees per trip. More road trips, less money wasted. What is the FASTag Annual Pass? The FASTag Annual Pass is a prepaid one-time payment of 3,000 rupees for non-commercial private vehicles like cars, vans, and jeeps. Once activated, it's valid for 1 year or up to 200 trips, whichever comes first. And it works across all national highways and national expressways managed by NHAI. Key benefits: save big. Effective cost drops from 70 to 80 rupee per trip to just 15 to 20 rupees. Unlimited convenience. No more topping up for every trip. Faster travel. Glide through FASTag lanes without payment delays. Reduced disputes. One payment, no repeated deductions. Better traffic flow. Less congestion at toll plazas. Who can use it? It's exclusively for non-commercial vehicles, cars, jeeps, vans. No trucks, buses, or taxis. If you regularly commute to another city, visit your hometown often, or take long road trips, this pass is a perfect fit. How does it work? You must already have an active FAS tag linked to your vehicle registration number. The FASTag should not be blacklisted or under dispute. Pay 3,000 rupees once your FASTag account gets credited with the annual pass. Drive freely through NH or any tolls until your 200 trips or 1 year limit is reached. After expiry, just expiry renew. How to apply? Visit the Rajmarg Yatra app or NHAI Morth official website. Enter your FASTag and vehicle details. Pay the one-time fee of 3,000 Ria via UPI, debit, credit, or net banking. Within 2 hours, you'll get an SMS confirming activation. Important notes: works only on NH or Naughty tolls managed by NHAI. State highways still deduct from your regular FASTag balance. A round trip in a closed-loop toll counts as one trip. In point-based tolls, each pass counts separately. If you cross more than 200 trips in a year, you'll revert to normal FASTag deductions. This isn't just about saving money, it's about saving time, reducing stress, and enjoying the drive. Apply from August 15th and make every journey smoother. Share this video so more travelers can benefit. And subscribe to New Guggets channel for more quick, useful updates that save you time and money.